Okay, so I wanted to check my fan and see if it was working properly. So what I did was I pulled the fan relay out of the relay box. It's right in here, and you can jump A3 to 15 while the power's on the bike. Alright, so here you can jump it and your fan will kick on. So I know my fan is working properly. So that was one thing I was kind of worried about, was just that fan, if it was firing on like it was supposed to. Okay, the next test I'm going to do is the temperature warning light. And I can't get my camera to, there it is, it's focusing a little bit. So if you run a jumper from A2 to 31, your light should come on your dash. There it is. So there, I feel confident that that's working properly. So yeah, this is the way you can test your temperature light and your fan.